well, no, it's not. It's kind of scary. Golly, look at that. See what I mean? What's going on, everybody? Product Probes back at you with another knife review. Now, one of our subscribers asked us to do a review on this knife about a month ago, maybe a little bit longer, and it took about 30 days for this knife to actually come in. I got this thing off of eBay for like $4, and if you look at the front of it right here, it almost doesn't even look like a knife, but it's the cadmium coated, and then bam, right there you can see the little single thumb stud on it. Now, my finger is actually a little bit too big to go through this thing, but man, maybe my pinky. However, on this lanyard hole back here, it will unfasten right there, but it is actually plastic itself. It's not the ball chain on here. Now, it does have a little glass breaker right back there, which, you know, seems to be pretty cool. I could see it being useful if I could fit my finger all the way through this thing. So if you have smaller fingers, you know, well, even then, you might have to hold it. But realistically, if you're using it, pull that plastic lanyard off, and you could probably just hold it and really hit a window like that. Now, looking at it, I mean, it's a sharp looking knife. It's a keychain type knife. It might be a little heavy to actually carry on your keys, but with the front part of it right here, you can't really tell that it's even a knife. It has a wolf little pattern right in there engraved into it. It's the cadmium coated or the rainbow coated type knife. Now, right here, let's open this thing up. Boom. And that's it right there. Not too much to it. Now, you would think that the blade would be on this side of it, but see how, if you look at the front, okay, so this is the front of the knife with the wolf. It's upside down, of course, but that's actually going to be where your bevel is, and then right there, just your single thumb. So they did try to put some jimpings up there at the top. However, when I got this knife, yeah, check this out. It's not locking. Well, that time it did it. Well, no, it's not. It's kind of scary. Golly, look at that. See what I mean? It's not bad, but be careful with this liner lock right here. Now, I thought that it didn't even, like that it was just for show, but there is an actual liner lock in there. And I don't know how good this close-up camera is getting that shot, but if you look, and you can bend your blade, if you can really get that liner lock to sit, there it goes. You can get it to where it will actually lock that blade, but be careful, because that right there will happen. Exactly what happened to me right there. But, so if you get it and it won't lock, grab your blade up here, pull it back until that liner sits on top of that, or the bottom half of that blade. Now, to close it, simple liner lock push right there. It's actually smooth, opens fine right there. Bam, there it goes. You can see right there, see how that liner lock now is holding that blade up. But just work with it. You might want to grab maybe another blade to try to pull it out, but simple close right there. Just be careful with it, because even though it is a short blade, I mean, right here on the review, I'm just doing a quick review on this thing. No need in checking out the pocket, but I'm bleeding all over this knife. We'll show y'all this real quick. It's not even an inch long blade. So let's make sure that I can get this in focus. Look at that. There's blood on that blade. Holy cow. I didn't think I really cut myself that bad with it, but whatever. What are you going to do? See, you don't even have an inch. So it's about 3/4 inch blade on it right there. However, this is the part that you're going to want to look at. The jimpings up there. Now, this could be, guys, almost scary, because your finger, your middle finger is going to be right there, you know, or at least in my case it will be. But right here, if I had it, I could open boxes and things like that. That's really all this is good for. But be careful, because that liner lock, if it's not catching, you're definitely going to cut your finger. But anyway, guys, just a quick review on it. The only downside on this thing is, I mean, it's just a cheaper knife. It didn't cost but $4. So everything is positive on it to be a cheaper type knife, other than, of course, that liner lock. Look at that. I mean, that time it's locked in place, but just make sure that it's locked in place if you decide to get it. I clicked the link on the thing. You know, it's an old link. I don't know if they're selling anymore, but I'll try to find these online. Not sure what it's called. This is called Outdoor Folding Pocket Knife Finger Ring Keychain Pocket Knife EDC Tool Fashion. So, type that in. You might can find it. But anyway, guys, appreciate you watching. Just a quick review on a cheaper knife. Old Cut, which I thought was Johnny Appleseed, but when I went back and looked, it's a guy named Cut. So, appreciate it, Cut. This was actually a pretty cool little knife, and if I can get this liner to stay consistent like it's doing right now, I might use this sucker, cut open boxes with. But appreciate you watching, guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one.